Ever wondered how AI could be the game changer your business needs to skyrocket its growth? In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, the use of artificial intelligence, or AI, has become increasingly prevalent, transforming the way businesses operate and grow. From streamlining processes to making data-driven decisions, AI is revolutionizing various industries, providing a competitive edge and paving the way for unprecedented growth. Imagine a world where machines learn from experience, adapt to new inputs, and perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Now stop imagining, because it's already here. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a tool that's driving substantial business growth. Whether it's retail, healthcare, manufacturing, or any other sector, AI is making its mark, and the results are nothing short of impressive. So are you ready to explore the fascinating world of AI and how it can propel your business growth? Stay tuned as we delve into case studies that illustrate the power of AI in different business sectors. First up, let's explore how the retail industry is revolutionizing customer experience with AI. Consider Amazon, a powerhouse in the retail sector. They've harnessed the power of artificial intelligence to truly personalize shopping experiences. How, you might ask? Well, through predictive analytics, Amazon's AI systems can anticipate what customers might want to buy next, based on their browsing and purchasing history. The AI system doesn't stop there. It also evaluates the time spent by customers on different product pages, the ratings and reviews they give, and even the items they place in their cart, but never purchase. All this data is meticulously analyzed and used to recommend products that align with the customer's tastes and preferences. Can you imagine the impact of this on sales? Well, it's substantial. A study from McKinsey revealed that Amazon's recommendation engine, powered by AI, is responsible for a whopping 35% of the company's total sales. Yes, more than a third of Amazon's sales come from AI-generated recommendations. But AI's influence in retail extends beyond personalized recommendations. It's also used to manage inventory, streamline supply chain operations, and even to automate customer service through chatbots. With AI, retailers can predict which items will be in high demand, ensuring they're well stocked and ready to meet customer needs. Moreover, AI-powered chatbots can handle a multitude of customer queries simultaneously, providing instant responses and freeing up human customer service agents to deal with more complex issues. This translates into reduced wait times and improved customer satisfaction. And let's not forget about AI's role in combating fraud. Machine learning algorithms can recognize unusual patterns in transaction data, helping to identify and prevent fraudulent activity before it impacts the business or the customer. Clearly, AI has a transformative impact on the retail industry, but it doesn't stop there. Moving on, how about we take a look at the healthcare sector, where AI is saving lives? Our journey into the world of artificial intelligence takes us to the heart of healthcare, where AI is reshaping how we understand and approach medical care. This is an industry where the stakes are high, where every decision, every diagnosis can mean the difference between life and death. And in this high-stakes world, AI is proving to be a game changer. It's not just about automating routine tasks or speeding up administrative processes. No, the impact of AI goes much deeper. It's about using complex algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data, to uncover patterns and insights that can lead to early detection of diseases and more accurate diagnoses. Let's consider a real-world example: Google's DeepMind Health. DeepMind Health is a pioneering project that leverages the power of AI to improve patient care. It uses machine learning to analyze medical images, helping doctors to detect diseases like cancer at much earlier stages. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. DeepMind Health also uses AI to predict patient deterioration. This means it can alert doctors to potential health risks before they become critical, enabling timely intervention and potentially saving lives. This is the power of AI in healthcare. It's not about replacing doctors or nurses. It's about providing them with the tools to make better, faster, more informed decisions. It's about using technology to enhance human skills, not to replace them. And this is just one example. AI is being used in countless other ways in the healthcare sector, from developing personalized treatment plans based on a patient's unique genetic makeup, to using predictive analytics to manage and allocate resources more effectively. AI is revolutionizing healthcare, It's helping doctors to diagnose diseases earlier, treat them more effectively, and ultimately save more lives. And this is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on healthcare will only grow. The healthcare industry is just another testament to the transformative potential of AI. Now let's turn our attention to the manufacturing sector, where AI is optimizing operations. Imagine a factory floor, bustling with activity, where machines and humans work in a seamless symphony. This is no longer a vision of the future, but a reality of today thanks to artificial intelligence. AI has been a game changer in the manufacturing sector. It's transforming production lines, improving efficiency, and reducing costs. How, you may ask? Let's take a look at General Electric, a company that has harnessed the power of AI to revolutionize their manufacturing process. In the past, the manufacturing process was largely a manual one, fraught with inefficiencies. Machines would run for hours, and human intervention was needed to identify and fix any issues. But with AI, all that has changed. General Electric has implemented AI systems that can monitor the factory floor in real time. These systems can detect anomalies, predict maintenance needs, and even suggest solutions, all without human intervention. This has led to a significant reduction in downtime as problems are identified and resolved much faster than before. But that's not all. AI has also helped General Electric to optimize their production process. Using machine learning algorithms, the company can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and trends. This allows them to fine-tune their manufacturing process, improving efficiency and reducing waste. The result? A significant reduction in costs and an increase in productivity. In fact, General Electric has reported a 20% increase in productivity since implementing their AI systems. But perhaps the most exciting thing about AI in manufacturing is its potential for the future. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even greater improvements in efficiency and cost reduction. In conclusion, AI is not just a tool for the manufacturing sector, it's a catalyst for change. It's pushing the boundaries of what's possible, transforming the way we manufacture goods, and paving the way for a more efficient, cost-effective future. As we can see, AI is a game changer in the manufacturing sector, improving efficiency and reducing costs. So, could AI be the secret ingredient to boost your business growth? We've taken a journey together today, exploring the transformative impact of artificial intelligence across various sectors, from retail to healthcare to manufacturing. We've seen firsthand how AI is not just a buzzword, but a powerful tool that is reshaping the way businesses operate and, in turn, driving growth. Remember the retail sector? We saw how AI can personalize the customer experience, predict trends, and streamline inventory management. It's made shopping a whole lot smarter, and in doing so has given businesses a competitive edge. Then we moved to the healthcare sector. AI is doing wonders there too. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. It's powering telemedicine platforms and predicting patient needs even before they arise. AI in healthcare is not just saving lives, it's making healthcare more efficient and patient-friendly. In the realm of manufacturing, AI is the new game changer. It's improving quality control, optimizing supply chains, and reducing downtime with predictive maintenance. AI is driving efficiencies at every step of the production process, leading to lower costs and higher profits. But the potential of AI doesn't stop there. It's a rapidly evolving field with new applications emerging every day. As we move forward, AI will continue to open up new opportunities, challenge old ways of doing things, and ultimately drive business growth. So yes, it seems AI could very well be the secret ingredient to boost your business growth. But remember, the power of AI is not in the technology itself, but how you use it. It's about integrating AI into your business strategy, aligning it with your goals, and constantly learning and adapting. Harnessing the potential of AI could be the key to unlocking your business's growth potential. So the question now is, are you ready to embrace AI and take your business to the next level? Before we wrap up, a quick reminder. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of artificial intelligence and its impact on business growth, don't keep it to yourself. Spread the knowledge. Give this video a like and share it with others who can benefit from it. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. You see, subscribing to our channel is like signing up for a masterclass in business innovation. It's a ticket to regular cutting-edge insights that can help you stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a seasoned business owner, or just someone fascinated by the potential of technology, there's something for you here. So don't miss out. Subscribe and get ready to harness the power of AI for your business. Ring that bell icon too so you never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching. Remember, the future of business is AI. Embrace it and watch your business grow.